Can we make money from grading trading cards? Today, in this box, we've got 11 cards we've sent to submission to PSA. Mixture of Dragon Ball and Pokemon cards, trying to see if we can get as many PSA 10s as we can. Last submission we sent about 8 or 9 cards and we only got two PSA 9s. So how good is my eyes? Welcome in everyone, ruzzreacts. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, slap the like button, notifications. We've got memberships, we've got everything here. Now, a little surprise. We are doing a PSA video, however, if we get 3 or less PSA 9s or under, we will be opening up a 3-pack blister of the brand new Prismatic Evolutions, the newest set. Hard to get. Double, triple these prices are for this. So let's see how good the Ruzz's eyes are. All right, let's go straight into it. All right, let's start. I can't even remember what cards we put in here. So we'll go to our trusty blade here. Open this up. Ooh, did I hit that on the spot? I did. I go everywhere. I just cleaned my whole room. Donnie's gonna have a joy with all these things everywhere. Wrap them up. Look at this. Looks like a... All right, we're getting to the good bit. All right, we've got the cards here. Let's get them out here now. All right, we got all the cards stacked here. So the way it looks like this will be the last card that we open. For this, we're just gonna take one at a time like this. Boom. We'll have a look. We'll slide the little Umbi underneath it. Ooh, let's go. Look at this. This is the Son Goku Secret Rare from Fusion World. FBO4. Ultra Limit. What do we got? Alright. Son Goku Ultra Rare Fusion World Inner. Yes! Look at that. Easy money. Easy money. The Secret Rare Goku. Look how sick this is. Ultra Instinct. Let's go. PSA 10. Alright, we're off. We're off to the races. We're already 100%. Can we keep it up? Couple we can get wrong here. All right, next one. Look at this. I thought this card was magic. This card when we sent it, well, when we pulled it. Look how nice this is. The Goku and Frieza combo. Come on. Another one from Ultra Limit FBO4. Alternate art. So this is an SR alternate art in it. Yes! Look at this. This is easy money. Dragon Ball is a bit easier to get, but you know, we take it. We got some Japanese cards. I do believe now I remember I did send some Charizard, all these cards are pulled, if not bought. So, oh, there we go. We got the Charizard. I believe this is from V-Star Universe. I thought this was a really nice card. Anytime we pull a Charizard, it's good. So, let's have a look. Oh, it's from Starbirth. So, on my birthday stream, I did this. 2022 Starbirth Charizard in it. Oh, hit it with a little one in a mint 9. There you go. There you go. That's okay. Japanese, huh? Japanese mint 9. Damn. It's giving me hopes that my Umbreon might not be that, because I thought this was clean as. Damn, mint 9. That's all right. That's all right. We'll take it. We'll take it still. Charizard will still have a good price. All right, that's one. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. We might not be opening up that Prismatic. All right, what do we got next? I forgot I sent this. We got Ends Zekrom. How sick is that? Zekrom. New set coming out, Battle Partners, and also Journey Together, which will be featuring Reshiram. I believe Ends Reshiram. But look at this. Beautiful card. Pulled this from VMAX Climax. Yes. VMAX Climax, another one on my birthday. Inner. Yes! Yes. We'll take that. I love Zekrom. Zekrom's a real cool Pokemon. He's like blaster pouch on his back or whatever it is. Let's go. All right, we've redeemed our 9. We're over to the English Pokemon. Charizard. Here we go. We pulled this on stream from a Pokemon Go after getting a VR. I've got memory for all this stuff. All right, let's go. Radiant Charizard from Pokemon Go in it. Yes! In a 10. I'm pretty sure this card was only worth like $20 or something, but I'll put the prices up for everything in this, where is it? Above here. Above here. See how we're doing, how we're making money. We're definitely up. We're definitely up. Even on that Charizard, I'm sure we should be good. Look how nice the Radiant Charizard is. Otherwise known as a shiny. We're getting through these. All right, another Japanese. All right, I believe this will be another Charizard. There we go. Another Charizard. Shiny Treasures, if you don't mind. Charizard EX, SV4, Shining Charizard in an EX into... Yes! Look at this, man. Look at this. Another Charizard. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing good. We're doing good. The blister's looking good. The old blister's looking good to be opened. All right, what do we got? The Charizard for sure. I just sent a bunch of Charizards, so I thought, you know what? Even if they don't come out good, we might be able to, you know, send them... Or even if they are good and I don't want them, we can put them in some giveaways for some of the members who've joined up. If anyone likes Charizards, not everybody's a PSA 10 snob like me. So, all right. I believe this is V-Star or Starbirth again. Ah, Starbirth. We did very good pulling some Charizard and Starbirth. Come on, don't be a 9. Yes, a 10. We'll take that. I like this Charizard better anyway. It's better than this poopy one because it's a 9. But nah, we got a V-Star Charizard. Let's go. I got no more rooms. I got too many Charizard here. If you're a Charizard fan in the chat, in the live chat, in the Premier chat, let me know. There's a Charizard there. Put some flames in the chat. All right, we got another Japanese. Japanese there. Oh, come on. This would be V-Star Universe. Come on. I didn't pull 3, did I? Oh my God, I did pull 3. No, it's VMAX Climax. All right, cool. VMAX Climax Charizard. It's just a reg holo, but why not? Yes! Look at them all. I got all these Zardy boys. 5 Zards I sent. God, I couldn't even remember I sent 5 Zards. All right, we're getting to the thick of it. We've got 3 cards left. We've got 1 9. So we can only afford 2 more out of the 3. Can we do it? Comment below if you think we can do it. All right. It's an English Pokemon card. It's an English Pokemon card. I don't think it's a Charizard. Ooh, shivers. I was going to leave this one till last, but... Oh, okay, we'll leave it here. I was going to leave this one till last. You know that? Oh, my gosh. All right, the Magneton. This ain't no normal Magneton promo. This is the Pokemon Center, as you can see just there. We got the Pokemon Center Magneton just here. Absolute beautiful card. Pretty confident to 10. This card's going to be worth a little mint, but you know what? Let's have a look and yes! Yes, yes, yes! Yes! I know this is worth a bit. And it probably only has climbed since, but look at that. SSP. Surging Spark Pokemon Center Elite Trainer Box promo in a PSA 10. Get around me, chat. Get around me. That's huge. That is huge. You're getting swapped for the... I don't even know what you're getting swapped for. You get swapped for the Charizard, I reckon. We've got heaps of Charizard. We'll pop you in the back there. Go 50-50. All right. All right. That's... We're on here. All right. Next one. Oh, look at this. I have completely forgotten I sent this. This is going to be a bit... I don't know what to think about this. The craze at the moment. The 151. Gold Mew Medal. I wasn't sure if you could send gold cards. I have opened up 2 UPCs. I have pulled a God Pack out of the last one. I believe this card is from that UPC as well. Can this possibly be a PSA 10 and make old ruzzreacts rich as an MF? 2023 151 Mew Ultra Premium Collection. How do you know? And what's it in? Is it in plastic? Oh my. Oh my days. That is... Yes! Metal card. First metal card. And it's great. It feels heavy. Do you know what I mean? It feels... Anybody want to create... Anyone want to send graded cards? Here we go. If anybody's interested in sending graded cards, your old Ruz will probably charge you 40, 45 bucks. I'll rip them on the channel. I'll review them on the channel, sorry. And we do 10s. Send them to me. I'll eye them off for you. That's a little plug. Just boy can look after it. Let's go. Shout out Uga Poker World for this. This is amazing. But I'm amazing as well because I picked 10s, baby. 1-9. All right. Last card. I know what it is. Oh my God, please don't be freaking bad. Please don't be bad. Oh. Yikes! Oh man, this has been away from me for so long. How long's it been? Like 2... Oh man. This card's been away from me for so long. The secret alt that I thought was a god rare, which still means a god rare to me with the red. Look at this. Goku, Son Goku doing the Kamehameha. You guys ready? You guys ready? Let's spam some ruzzers in the chat. Ruzzers head, emojis, members. 2024 Fusion World Secret Alt Art Gem. Are you... You are serious. I'm holding it in. Yes! Yes! He's the best to do it. You already know. Oh, well. I don't know what to say. I literally have no idea what to say. Prices will be up for all these, so you'll know exactly what all these... Look at all these cards. What the... That's it. We did so well. 1-9 out of 11 cards. That is ridiculous. I was hoping for an 80% return rate. 80% would have been, like we said, whatever it was before. 80% would have been 8.8, would have been 9 cards. But here we have it. Prismatic Evolutions. Can we do it? Can we pull some more PSA 10 cards here? All right. Leafeon. We got the Leafeon promo Prismatic Evolutions. Can we get the Umbreon? Can we get the Umbreon special illustration rare out of this? Can we get any special illustration rare for anybody who doesn't know? There's a promo for you guys. Beautiful Leafeon tapping the water. Would love that in a Master Ball. If they do that in a Master Ball, we got a code card for you all. We got a sticker with a little Umbreon there. All right, yeet all this out of the way, and we've got a couple of packs. We got an Umbreon pack, 2 Umbreon packs, and we got an EV pack. Let's get into it. They can't stop us from doing the Ruzz Rip. We got a Cody and an Energy. Oh, we just burnt that one. We just burnt that. You didn't even get the Cody. Your hands are too grippy. All right, there's a code card. We obviously just burnt that, so nothing else in there. No illustration rares. Boo. All right, quick game's a good game, as they say. I'm starving. All right, next pack. Umbreon. We'll do one. No, we'll do 2. Cody. Energy. All right, come on. Come on. We've been recently pulling some good hits. We've been pulling a Pokeball, an EX, and then also we've been pulling a Hollow Energy. Oh, we got a Pokeball Lacey. Let's go. Pokeball Lacey into reverse black belt and a... Oh, yeah, Glaceon. See what I mean? We've been pulling some good stuff. Look at that. A little double hitter. That Glaceon looks sick as. I need the Glaceon as well. That is perfect. We'll sleeve these bad boys. We will sleeve these bad boys. What you gonna do? Up. There you go. Little 2-hitter from 2 packs. All right, last pack of the video. Can we get some more magic? We've already done extremely well in this video. We're definitely in the green, whatever that price says. We're very high in the green. Anybody wants a loan, let your boy know. We got a Fighting Energy. All right, come on. Come on. Let's get it. We'll slow roll these. We got a Duskull. We got a Cottony. We got a Litleo. We got a Dracoloak. We got a Heatram. We got a Rescue Board. Turo Scenario. Oh, Pokeball Larry. Let's go. All right, Pokeball Larry into Reverse Goldeen. And the last card we're finishing on. Oh, no way. We got another EX. A Rainbow EX in pink. Come on, man. Close my eyes. What did we get, guys? Oh, what the hell? Batching? I've been told about batching. What? the hell? Oh, well, there you go. Thank you, everyone, for sticking around, watching the video. Like I said, we should change our name to PSA ruzzreacts 10 PSA. Oh, man, this is huge. Huge, huge, huge. I'm wrapped over the moon from doing this. But, yeah, if you like, then like. If you want to say something, then comment. If you want to be part of the team, then join. If you want to subscribe, then subscribe. Do whatever you want to do. You know, if you want to hear a ring every time I go live, click the bell. But peace and hair grease.